Hi friends, how are you all? Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back again with a reading for Sagittarius, Taurus and Scorpio people. So how are going to be the next 48 hours for Scorpio, Taurus and Sagittarius people. So friends, I've already shuffled the cards and the first card which we are doing is Taurus, okay? So I'm going to remove a card now. Friends, there are a lot of things which I have to get due to Corona. I'm nearby. I'm not getting. I need a camera stand, a proper place to keep my camera, and I also have to, I also have my friends have told me they're going to support me. So I'm going to try doing the shoots in their studios also soon. But then I'm very far from their studios, so right now I'm doing it from here from my home. But then my readings are very genuine and a lot of replies I've been getting that my readings have been quite helpful to a lot of people. So let's go ahead with the start. Let me pick a card for Taurus people. Spirit, kindly please tell me how are the next 48 hours for Taurus. So friends, the card which has come for you is 10 of Swords. 10 of Swords. You can see this man is lying on the floor. Friends, you can see this man is lying on the floor here. So maybe there is just some ending caused in your life, or there's some painful situation which has ended in your life, and you have, but then friends, you have to just pick up yourself and move ahead. You can see there is a yellow color. Still there is a hope in your life. This yellow symbolizes hope. So then I mean to say, ये situation में आपको नहीं रहना है. You have to pick up yourself and with hope आपको आगे बढ़ना है, because मे बी ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन हो गई है कि किसी ने आपको बिट्रे किया है, या वर्क सिचुएशन हो सकती है, या घर पे कोई सिचुएशन हो सकती है जहाँ पे पेन कॉज हुआ है, कुछ किसी ने कुछ शायद कुछ प्रॉमिस किया होगा और नहीं हुआ पूरा, या आप कोई जगह से कुछ बहुत एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे और यू फील टोटली कि अभी हाँ सब एंड हो गया, ख़त्म हो गया, अभी मेरा क्या होगा, you have you are thinking सब दरवाजे बंद हुए, there is no way to go, what you should do next, that is what you are thinking. So friend, this situation in this at this time, the pain which has caused to you, so it's not the end of the situation, you have to come out of this energy, because there is always a change, and maybe you're also luck. A person can change his own luck. You cannot change other people, or you cannot change the circumstances happening to you. Like, there is always a reason for whatever happens in your life, and you should take each and every situation in your life in a positive way. You can see this man, he's lying with 10 of Swords in his back, so totally feels betrayed, like total उसको लग रहा है कि उसके साथ एकदम cheating हुआ, like so you have to face your fears कि अब you cannot think कि अभी मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता आगे, you can fight against the situation and you can find a way in the situation. That's what you have to do. And या सिचुएशन ऐसे हो सकती है कि someone may be just ready to betray you, someone must be having plan on some situation. So or maybe this card is telling you just be alert about a certain thing and make plans, like at least don't at least you can avoid getting cheated from someone, that way. So this was a reading for Taurus sign. So next sign we are doing is Scorpio. spirits, please tell us how are the next 48 hours for Scorpio people. So friends, the card which has come for you is the moon. So there are some hidden things here, and right now the moon symbolizes the fears, like कुछ छुपी बातें हैं, hidden secrets है कुछ जो आपको पता नहीं है, या आपके मन के hidden fears हो सकते हैं, like you know about on a certain situation. So and some things are not clear, you are not clear about a certain situation. So in this situation you have to be a bit cautious, like आपने कुछ decide. Scorpio people. So friends, the card which has come for you is the moon. So there are some hidden things here, and right now the moon symbolizes the fears, like कुछ छुपी बातें हैं, hidden secrets है कुछ जो आपको पता नहीं है, या आपके मन के hidden fears हो सकते हैं, like you know about on a certain situation. So and some things are not clear, you are not clear about a certain situation. So in this situation you have to be a bit cautious, like आपने कुछ डिसाइड किया है मुझे ये करना है, या ये फियर्स आप में होंगे कि कुछ शायद कुछ हिडन लग रहा है, मुझे लग रहा है कि कुछ सीक्रेट्स है इसके पीछे. तो और ऐसा नहीं होगा अगर सिर्फ आपको लग रहा है, या होगा भी शायद आपको ये वार्निंग हो सकती है कि आपको कॉशियस रहना है. तो इन एनी सिचुएशन आपको कॉशियस तो रहना ही है. सो इट्स बेटर यू आर कॉशियस. या तो ये स्पाइसीज रिप्रेजेंट करता है, मे बी ये कोई यू मस्ट बी कनेक्टेड टू सम यू नो स्पाइसीज पर्सन इन योर लाइफ, ये भी हो सकता है. But there are certain fears at this very moment, and you have to be very cautious. And the advice is that some potential trouble hai, enemies are there around you. So there is a warning कि you be very cautious on a certain thing, and you know do not ignore the red flags, you know. So okay, so next time we are doing is, so next card we are doing is for Leo. So how are the next 48 hours for Leo people? So Leo people, the card which is come for you is 10 of Wands. You can see this person is carrying this 10 wands on his head, you know. So maybe the person you are feeling in this way, like you are carrying a bundle of sticks, or that is a lot of work you are doing, or lot of pressure is there, and you know you are moving towards a short distance with all this big burden, you know, like this is a weight you are carrying on your shoulders or head, and you know, so you'll be quite stressed about a certain situation, or certain way you will be quite burdened, you will feel quite burdened, and you know you may or maybe you maybe the burden might be of loan, or burden might be of work, or burden might be of some home personal situation, and you may feel quite overburdened, overweight. So maybe next 48 hours you will be in this situation. Maybe you will take some extra work which is causing a very burden for you and very stressful for you, like you know, and it is making things very tougher for you. See, you can see this man, you know, he's trying to pick up this, you know, maybe you have taken a certain lot of work you have taken, and it is being very tougher. This fellow is trying to, you know, pick up this particular thing, and he's not able to, like, you know, it's weighing very heavy. It's feeling very heavy about a certain situation. So he's using this energy for next 48 hours.